Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this gorgeous look. It's red lips with green eyes, and I was inspired by Poison and Blood. No, just kidding. If you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows already. And now we're going to do the eyes, and first I'm going to use this color by MAC, Give a Glam, this eyeshadow. It's a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to use a blending brush, and I am going to put it on my crease. Okay, and then using the same color under my eye with a smaller brush, and try to kind of like tight line it, so because we want to use another color below this color. Okay, now I'm going to use a different blending brush, and I'm going to use the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and using the color Incense, which is this color, and I'm going to put this color above the dark brown color. And we're just going to blend these two colors out. Okay, and then using again a smaller brush to place the color underneath the dark brown. Again, blending these two colors out. Okay, so we're going to create a cut crease using this type of brush, and I am using a concealer for this. And what you want to do is start here, the inner corner, and then just follow your lid. And then what you want to do is go a little bit outside of your lid space, so on your crease. And you can just tap the color lightly in, because if you make a mistake you can just easily fix it again. So you're on your cut crease, and first you go down, and then you want to make kind of like a wave, and then you go up again. And then you just fill in the space. And then you can just blend it out with your finger. And don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can just go over with your dark brown again, and then create a line with the concealer again. Okay, now we're going to use this flat brush, and I'm going to use a green color, and it's a light green color, and I'm going to place that on the lid, so exactly where you put the concealer. And if the green color doesn't stick well onto your skin, you can, instead of swiping, you can just tap in the color like so. Okay, and then for the fallout you can use this brush, and all the fallout will go away. Okay, so now I'm going to use a white eyeliner, and I'm going to line my eyes with it. And if the eyeshadow went on your waterline, you can just use a tissue to remove that color, so then the white color will catch on to it better. Okay, and then what you can do is take a tiny brush like this, and I'm going to use silver glitter, this one, and I'm going to follow this line and create a thin line. And I stopped where the lid meets the crease, so I didn't put it all the way until the inner corner. And if you have a glitter silver eyeliner, that also works, but I didn't have that, so I used my glitter eyeshadow. Okay, now we're going to put some black eyeliner, make a wing line. So I created a dark wing line, and I also put a little bit on the inner corner. And what we're going to do is the green below the black eyeliner we're going to remove, so everything is clean. And you can use the same concealer brush you already used. And then using your finger to blend it out. Okay, now for the lashes, and I'm going to use the Lilly lashes in the style Doha. Okay, so while our lashes are drying up, we're going to use some blush. I'm going to use a pinky blush on the apples of my cheeks. A little bit below the apples of your cheek. So this is the apple of your cheek and a little bit below that. And just blend it out with your beauty blender. And putting on some highlighter. Okay, now putting on our lashes. Okay, so now I have my lashes on. And now we're going to use our red lipstick. And it's going to be kind of like this color. And let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is the lips. And make sure you don't have any lipstick on your teeth. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So we got the green eyes with the red lips. And yeah. And I think the glitter on the crease is really cute. So yes, this was the tutorial of today. And if you liked this video, then like, comment, and subscribe. And then I will see you in my next video. And I will be posting always on Monday. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.